Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before we continue, I'd like us to like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at question number 8 from 2023 June WASSCE core mathematics examination, and it says copy and complete the table of value for y equals to 2x squared minus x minus 4 for x is greater than or equals to minus 3 and x is less than or equals to 3, and this is the table for that equation. B, using a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 cm to 2 units on the y-axis, draw a graph of y equals to 2x squared minus x minus 4 for x is greater than or equals to minus 3 and x is less than equals to 3. So let's treat the equation and form a table to fill in this space. So we have solution. So we are going to draw a graph for y equals to 2x squared minus x minus 4 equals to 0. So we have a table for x. We have minus 3, we have minus 2, we have minus 1, we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So for the equation we have here 2x squared, we have minus x, we have minus 4, and we have y. This is the column. So now we are going to have for 2x squared, when y equals to minus 3, we have 2x squared as what? X equals to minus 3. So we substitute into here, we have 2 into minus 3 squared. This is equal to 2 times 9 equals to 18. So we are going to fill in 18 here. So when x equals to minus 2, we have 2 into minus 2 squared, which is equals to 2 times 4. Because minus 2 squared is 4. This is equal to 8. So we put in 8 here. So for minus 1, we have 2 into minus 1 squared. This is equal to 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So we have here as 2. So here is 0. This one is 1. So we will have 2 into 1 squared equals to 2 times 1 equals to 2. So here we have 2. So here for x equals to 2, the same thing as 2 into 2 squared equals to 2 times 4 equals to 8. So we have here 8. So the next one is 3. We have 2 into 3 squared equals to 2 times 9 equals to 18. So here we have 18. So that is what we have there. For minus x here, when x equals to minus 3, we have here as minus x. When x equals to minus 3, we have minus 3 times minus x. This will become 3. When x equals to minus 2, we have as minus x equals to minus into minus 2, which is equals to 2. So here will become 2. And when x is minus 1, this one will become 1. When x is 0, is 0. So when x is 1 here, it becomes minus 1. And when x is 2, become minus 2 here. When x is 3, become minus 3. So in this case, we bring it minus 4. We just replace minus 4 here. So this row, minus 4 all through on this row. So when we add, we are going to add here to here for us to have the value of y. So 18 plus 3, we have 21. 21 minus 4, this is 17. So we have 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So we have 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 0 plus 0 minus 4, we have minus 4. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we have 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 4, we have 2. So here we have 18 minus 3, 15. 15 minus 4, we have 11. So for us to have this is the same thing as when we fill in this. So we have this place is 6. Here is minus 1. 4 is there. Here is minus 3. And here is 2. And this place is 11. So this is the solution to fill in these empty spaces for this table. So now what we are going to do is to plot the graph for x-axis and y-axis, and use the graph to find the root of the equation for 2x squared minus x minus 4 equals to 0. Then secondly, the value of x for which y increases as x increases on that graph. And the third question is the minimum point of y-axis. So now we are going to use this table to plot a graph so that we'll be able to solve the solution for the C part. Let's move into the graph sheet. The solution that we have from the board, this is the table of x and y axis for the equation y equals to 2x squared minus x minus 4. So this is what we have, the result from what we have from the board. So the scale is 2 cm, represent 1 unit on x-axis, and 2 cm represent 2 units on y axis. So we are going to draw a graph. So we have this line, y axis, x axis. So as we say, for x axis we have 2 cm to 1 unit. So we have 1 here, we have 2, we have 3. So we have -1, we have -2, we have -3. So that is for x axis. Then for y axis we have 2 cm to 2 unit on y axis. So we have here 2, we have 4, we have 6, 8, 10, we have 12, 14, we have 16, and we have 18. So this side we have -2, we have -4, then we have -6. So this is the scale. So what we are going to do next, for x-axis we have -3, and y-axis we have 17. X-axis -3, which is this line. Then for y-axis we have 17. So 17 is here. So this point, so we have -3 and 17. That's the first point. The second point, we have -2 on x-axis and y is 6. -2 for x-axis, y is 6. So we have this point here, -2 and 6. So number third point, we have -1 on the x-axis, -1 on the y-axis. So on the x-axis we have -1 here, and we have -1 on the y. So this is the point, -1, -1. So number 4 point, we have 0 on the x-axis and -4 on the y-axis. X-axis is 0 and y-axis is -4. So this is the point, 0 and -4. The next point, we have x-axis as 1 and y-axis as -3. X-axis, which is this point, 1, and y-axis -3, which is this point. So here is -3 and 1 and -3. The next point, we have x-axis as 2, y-axis as 2. So x-axis is 2 and y is 2. So 2, 2. So the last point, we have x-axis as 3, while y-axis is 11. Our 11 is here. So we have 3 and 11. So these are the points, and we are going to join them together, and we have it as. So this is the result of the point that we join together. So we have this curve going this way. So this is the curve. So that is how the graph look like. So the next point is for us to answer question C1. C1 was saying that, let's write it here. C1 was saying the root of the equation are -1.2 and 1.8. So the root, this is where we have our root that cut it across. That is the root of the equation. This place is 1.8 and this is -1.2. That is passes this place. So now we have the second question was saying the value of x for which y increases as x increases. The value of x equals to 1. As x increases as y increases, it is 1. So this is the point. When x is 1, it increases as y increases. So the third question that says the minimum point of y, as you can see, this is the minimum point of y, which is -4. The minimum point or value of y equals to -4. So this is the solution to all the questions that we were asked. The root of the equation are -1.2 and 1.8. The value of x as y increases is 1. The minimum point or value of y is -4. So this is the graph, as you can see. That is the graph. That is the graph. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube, comment, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.